Hello everyone, Bill Nye here, and I'm thrilled you could join me today. Whether you're a science whiz or just curious about the world, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, AI for short. It's one of the most exciting fields in science and technology right now. AI is changing our world every single day, and it's not just science fiction anymore. From the way we communicate to how we travel, AI is making a real impact. But what exactly is AI? Simply put, it means machines that can learn, think, and solve problems, just like us humans. These machines can analyze information, make decisions, and even improve themselves over time. You might not realize it, but AI is already all around us, quietly helping in ways we barely notice. It's in your phone, your home, and even in the apps you use every day. Understanding AI helps us use these powerful tools wisely and shape the future we want. The more we know, the better choices we can make about how AI fits into our lives. Imagine teaching a puppy a trick. You repeat the action, give a reward, and the puppy learns. It's a process of trial, error, and improvement. AI learns from data in a similar way. Instead of treats, it gets feedback from the information it processes, helping it get better at tasks over time. Scientists and engineers write instructions, called algorithms, that help computers learn from all this information. These algorithms are like recipes guiding the AI step by step. The more data an AI has, the smarter it gets. It can recognize pictures, understand voices, translate languages, and even help doctors diagnose illnesses faster and more accurately. Today, we'll explore where AI is in your life, what it can do, and the challenges it brings. We'll look at how it's used in schools, hospitals, businesses, and even in your favorite games. My goal? To get you thinking and asking questions. The more curious you are, the more you'll discover about this amazing technology. When we're curious and informed, we can help shape the future of AI together. We can make sure it's used for good and that everyone benefits from its power. So, are you ready to explore the world of AI with me? Let's get started and see what the future holds. Consider the following. Think you don't use AI? Think again. When you stream shows, AI suggests what to watch next by spotting patterns in your choices. Shopping online? AI recommends products and helps stores keep things in stock. Even your map app uses AI to find the fastest route by analyzing real-time traffic. Personalized music playlists? That's AI learning your taste and picking songs you'll love. From movies to music to maps, AI is quietly making your digital world smarter and more personal. It's everywhere, even if you can't see it. AI works behind the scenes, making life easier and more fun. Next time you get a great suggestion online, thank AI. It's like having a digital helper, always learning what you like. AI is already part of your everyday life. Pretty cool, right? Let's zoom in on your smartphone. A pocket-sized AI powerhouse. Unlocking your phone with your face or fingerprint. That's AI using biometrics to keep your info safe. Voice assistants like Siri or Alexa. They use AI to understand and answer your questions. Your camera's face detection and photo enhancements, all powered by AI. Typing a message, AI predicts your next word and fixes typos. Every text, photo, and voice command uses AI to make things faster and easier. Your phone is packed with smart technology, learning from you every day. It's like having a tiny, helpful assistant in your pocket. AI makes your phone smarter and your life simpler. Imagine what's next. AI isn't just convenient, it's making a real difference. It helps organize schedules, sort emails, and find the fastest routes, saving us time for what matters. For people with disabilities, AI can describe images, read text aloud, or turn movements into speech. In medicine, AI helps doctors spot diseases earlier and discover new treatments. Farmers use AI to monitor crops, save water, and protect the environment. AI even helps us understand climate change and find solutions. When used for good, AI is a powerful force for positive change. It's like having a super smart assistant for humanity. Science and technology working together for a better world. That's the real power of AI. Education is one of the most exciting places for AI. It's transforming the way we learn, making classrooms more dynamic and personalized than ever before. Imagine having a personal tutor that understands your strengths and weaknesses and adapts to how you learn best. AI can do that. It can spot where you need help and offer just the right support, right when you need it. Struggling with math or reading, AI gives you extra practice, explains things in new ways, and helps you build confidence step by step. It's like having a patient coach who never gets tired. Learning fast? AI notices your progress and moves you ahead to new challenges, so you're never bored and always growing. AI makes learning interactive and fun. Talk to historical figures, explore volcanoes, or visit Mars, all virtually. These experiences bring lessons to life in ways textbooks never could. Learning becomes an adventure, not just memorizing facts. Every lesson can feel like a journey, sparking curiosity and excitement. Want to learn a new language or play guitar? AI-powered apps give instant feedback and lessons tailored just for you, helping you improve faster and stay motivated. Teachers benefit too. AI helps grade tests, find resources, and even suggest new teaching ideas, freeing up time for real teaching and connecting with students. AI supports teachers, not replaces them, making classrooms better for everyone. It's a partnership that helps teachers focus on what matters most, helping students succeed. Lifelong learning is easier with AI by your side. Whether you're a child, a teen, or an adult, AI opens doors to new skills and knowledge at any age. The goal is simple: empower students and teachers alike, making learning more accessible, engaging, and effective for everyone. With AI, learning never stops. You can study anytime, anywhere, and always have support when you need it most. That's a future worth getting excited about, a world where everyone can keep learning, growing, and reaching their full potential. AI is powerful, but it comes with challenges. Privacy is a big concern. AI needs lots of data, so we must protect our personal info. AI can make mistakes, especially if it learns from biased or incomplete data. That's why fairness and careful design matter. We shouldn't rely on AI for everything. Our own skills and thinking are still essential. Sometimes AI is used for harmful things, like creating fake videos or spreading misinformation. We need rules and critical thinking to use AI responsibly. Being aware of these issues helps us make smart choices. AI is a tool. How we use it is up to us. Let's use it wisely and stay informed. Responsibility is key in the age of AI. Worried AI will take your job? It's a real question. Some repetitive jobs may be automated, but AI will also create new jobs we haven't imagined yet. We'll need people to design, build, and maintain AI, and to work alongside it. AI handles the boring stuff, freeing humans for creativity, problem-solving, and empathy. Human skills like teamwork and original thinking will be more valuable than ever. The future of work is about humans and AI teaming up. Keep learning about technology and about what makes you uniquely human. Adaptability and creativity are your superpowers. Don't fear the change. Embrace it. AI can make work more interesting and meaningful. The future is bright if we're ready to grow. Living with AI means learning new safety rules. Be a critical thinker. Always check if what you see online is real. Protect your personal info like you would a house key. Talk to trusted adults about privacy settings and what you share. Remember, AI isn't a person. It doesn't have feelings or secrets. Don't share personal stuff with AI assistants or chatbots. Use AI tools to help, not to do all your work for you. Being honest and thoughtful online is part of being a good digital citizen. Use AI responsibly and keep your brain active. Stay smart, stay safe, and enjoy the benefits of technology. We've seen that AI is here, shaping our world in amazing ways. Every day, new breakthroughs are happening and technology is moving faster than ever before. From smart assistants in our homes to self-driving cars on the streets, AI is becoming a part of our daily lives, often in ways we don't even notice. It helps doctors diagnose illnesses more quickly, scientists make new discoveries, and teachers create exciting lessons for students. AI is a powerful tool that helps all of us learn, grow, and solve problems that once seemed impossible. But with great power comes great responsibility. We need to think carefully about how we use AI and make sure it benefits everyone, not just a few. We must consider important questions about privacy, fairness, and how AI changes our lives. Who controls the data? How do we make sure AI treats everyone equally? These are challenges we all share. The best way forward? Stay curious and keep learning. Ask questions, explore new ideas, and don't be afraid to try new things. You don't have to be a computer scientist to understand AI. Just learning the basics can help you make smart choices and be ready for the future. Play with AI tools, ask questions, and talk about what you discover with friends and family. Sharing what you learn helps everyone grow. The more we know, the better we can shape the future together. Working as a team, we can make technology work for everyone. The future isn't something that just happens. It's something we build together, step by step, with every choice we make. Don't be afraid. Be excited and prepared. The world needs your ideas, your energy, and your passion. Use your creativity and kindness to make technology work for everyone. Together, we can build a future that is bright, fair, and full of opportunity. The future is in your hands. What you do today can make a difference for tomorrow. Thanks for exploring AI with me today. Remember, science rules, and so do you.